Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Zendesk business rules for tickets routing. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Zendesk website and then just log into your profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Zendesk official website where we have the first thing that we need to do, and that's get started and create some of our stuff. So we need to create your account, ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, health center. So basically all of those stuff that you have to do at first. Also, we have the dashboard, and on the left side, we have everything about your tickets. So here you have your unsigned tickets. You have all of your tickets. So basically unsolved tickets, pending tickets, and all of those things. You can click on one ticket here and click edit, merge, mark spam, or delete it. You can also go and click on here to see all of your customers. So basically here you can see all of your emails, names of your customers, and everything that you can of course go edit and change or add some new customers if you want. Also, in the top right corner, you have a lot of things about your profile. So you can view your profile, you have product updates, get help, support and help center, keyboard shortcuts, give feedback, about, privacy policy, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to use Zendesk business rules for tickets routing. So that Zendesk provides a number of business rules and routing options to make sure your tickets get to the right agent as quickly as possible. You can either configure a push routing model, which assigns tickets to agents, or a pull model where agents assign work for themselves. So guys, that is basically everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.